even with like a Cartel and a Mavado, what was it like working with them when you were just coming into business? A young Cartel, a young Mavado, a young Busy Signal.
Um, that's a really interesting question still. I mean, the level of talent that I saw in these guys, man, like, yo, like it was just like wow factor, man. Like Busy, Vado, Marshall, Cartel. I mean, Cartel's lyrical content and his ability to structure songs is just like ridiculous, especially his first set of songs. Like the first set of songs that didn't bust were so complex that it was like I was listening to an iconic rapper, see, who spoke in metaphors and parables. I'm like, yo, this youth is like, he was so far advanced that Jamaica wasn't even ready for him. He bossed when he simplified what he was doing. See? And he kind of came up with a formula. All right, I can get a little bit more witty and complex in the verse them, but I need to keep the chorus them simple to grab the people.
To bring you into the song, and then once I have you in, then we can do it.
Yep. And that's when I'm really getting break. You know what I mean? And then Mavado now, I mean, his energy as a singer. Like, I've always said this, and any engineer who's worked with any level of artist, and especially that level of artist, will tell you, you don't know the ability of an artist until you voice him. See? Like, I'm telling you. See, that's why I knew that Sasko was going to be great. See? Because, let me tell you, you have certain big voice DJs in the business. See? All right, cool. We know them already. See? All right. Killer is one of them. You know that, right? All right, cool. I did a dub session one time for some Japanese with Killer and Bojo in combination, right? And when Bojo start spitting up, I'm like, yo, turn down the levels. Like, yo, like, what is, man? Like, yo, and he's crystal clear and in key. Crystal clear and in key. And I'm like, yo, ridiculous. Says there's our next one. Sasko was one of the people that impressed me like that too. He was pairing with a youth named Zumj at the time, see? And Zumj, they bring him to the studio and say, yo, listen to you, Telly. See? In bad. Name Assassin. See? And I remember I was voicing some Zumj dubs, my virgin and thing. Saying big up Zumj, by the way. And when he gave Assassin the mic, everything on the mixing board peaked. The man's voice was like huge. I'm like, yo, if them money are boss, like, yo, him gone. Him gone. You know what I mean? And then he was in the stable of Icon, Sprague Benz. So it was a natural thing for him to be groomed and learn the right things. And you know what I mean? So yeah, man, but you don't know the ability of an artist until you voice them. See?
And that's so crazy here. Again, you're seeing the veterans at this time, which is the Bounty, Beanie, Bojo, and you're seeing a whole new crop of artists just coming in that's hungry and they're just ready to go.
Yep. Ready. Even too ready. It's ready. Like, yo, that fit them time now, them want them break.
And even seeing Alliance, did you see Alliance form, or basically they formed and then they came to the studio type of thing?
That's another good question, man. The Alliance was smaller when me and them start link. See? Yeah, it wasn't so many people. Bling Dog hadn't become a part of it yet. I don't know if Mavado was a part of it yet. I think Cartel was. You know what I mean? So it's really hard to understand because Killer has brought so many people into the business. So when him come check me, you know, it's not like it's never him one. It's him and like 5 artists them with him kind of have on them wing. So I don't even remember, you know, which one of those are, you know, fall under that banner or whatever, you know what I mean?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.